Yo, it's your boy, Mari FX, man. And before we get into the video, I just want to thank everybody that's continuing to like, comment, subscribe, share the video, everybody that's showing support. I really do appreciate it. And, you know, I really appreciate you guys following me along on this journey, watching me progress, watching me grow. So let's get straight into it, man. So you're probably wondering, like, you know, man, what happened? Like how y'all count up $25 today? Man, listen, man. I'm gonna let you guys know what happened at the end of the video. So, psych! UEC, bro. UEC went crazy today. UEC went crazy today, guys. 64 cent, 9% on the day, guys. UEC did his thing. So we made $15 today on a contract. Today's return is $22. Total return is 15. So what I'm looking for on UEC is 33 cent. After 33 cent, I would start trailing my stop, and eventually I'm gonna look to get out. Like I want to make minimum $15. Maximum would probably be 30. 'Cause I don't want to hold this trade too long, but I don't want to get out too soon at the same time, because this thing has so much more potential to run now, because a lot more people are buying calls, and that's why it's up. The call volume and all that other stuff, people are stacking into it. The $8 call specifically. So the robots, they got to tick it up to $8 now to fill those orders. So UEC, man, UEC carried. I didn't take any trades today. I had some business I had to take care of. I had some personal things that I had to attend to. So I wasn't able to trade today, but there was a beautiful setup today on the NASDAQ as well. There was a beautiful setup today. I just had this on my watch list because I wanted to watch the stock. But off the open, we took out this accumulation, and then we just dumped off. So that would have been my trade. Somewhere around $80 I would have made, and that would have been a slight little trade. So XRP still doing its thing. I needed to get in at 285, but just mine wasn't right when XRP was at 285. So right now I don't even care anymore. I'm gonna just start doing what I need to do, and that's just hopping into these plays. I have the margin to do so, and that's why I have 11 shares of RR. I bought it all. I bought 11 shares of it today because I'm like, let me just hop in this stock before it takes off, because and I hopped in. When it was at 88. I hopped in today around this area, and then I bought like another share around this area. And reason being is because I'm like, I want to be in the stock. I don't care if it's gonna dip down lower, I'll buy more, or this or that. But I'm looking to definitely have, at max, if this thing is to come back down to around 180, 170, whatever have you, I'm looking to have maximum 25 shares. I don't want to have more than 25 shares, because that's when, if this stock really moves like aggressively, it could hurt my portfolio, and I don't want that to happen. So yeah, so I'm in at average cost 185, and I'm looking at around $5. But this has a lot more room to run. When you look at Finviz, the shares outstanding is 74 million. The shares float is 70 million, and the short float interest is 27%. And the reason why you want to look at these metrics is because when you have a short float of around 20%, that basically means when people pile into this stock, the people that are short have to get out of their shorts, and that will push the stock up even higher. So this has a good chance to quite possibly short squeeze, and you can see what it did today. You can see when you look at today's candle, it just popped 9 million in volume. So yeah, I'm really interested in RR. Nvidia invests in them. Nvidia's using their product, so I don't see why this stock won't do good as soon as they get their finances right. And then we're in AI. This is the C3 AI yield max ETF. And reason why I'm in this is I just want dividends. They're paying like 16 cent per share. So that'd be like 32 cent, and then I have that drip back into the stock. So, get more shares of it, and that's gonna be paying me dividends. And eventually, I'll have enough in this position to where the dividends will be paying for the options contracts for the zero DTEs. So yeah, man, this is the account update. I'm so happy that God gave me this opportunity to watch this portfolio just grow today, even though I didn't take a trade today, because He understands that I had to take care of something that was personal. One of my family members, they needed help with something, so God definitely rewarded me today. So yeah, I'm gonna continue to just keep going. I definitely want to get into YMAX. Let me see where Big Seven, 100 crypto stocks, not options. Yeah, I want to get into YMAX. YMAX is like $13. Where is this? Here it is. YMAX is, oh no, sorry. YMAX is $14 now. They pay every week, and I think that their payout is like maybe like last I checked it was like 13 cent per share. So like you can see I used to have some YMAX and it was paying me. It was good. It was good. So we'll have this and that would be nice too to just be getting dividends. So yeah, I'm just gonna continue to stock into AI, YY. If RR comes back down to 170, 180, 140, whatever, I'll put more into it to where I have 25 shares and that'll be my cap. And then once it goes to $5, sell out half my position, let the rest ride. So that's the account update. I'll see you guys later, man. Y'all be safe. I won't be trading tomorrow. I do not trade Thursdays. You guys know why if you've been watching my videos. And that's about it, man. So yeah, I appreciate so much of the support, guys. I appreciate all the support. Sorry, ADHD is acting up. And you guys be safe. You guys continue to just go on your journey as well. Like take the time, learn how to invest. Even if you don't do options, just learn how to invest. You can have these results as well. I want to show that this is possible. And I want to prove to myself that this is possible. Even though I know this is possible, I want to do it. So, I'll see y'all later. Y'all be safe.